Chippy is munching on an acorn and humming to herself when Rory hops in. Rory, excited. Chippy, Chippy, have you heard? There's a hunter in the forest. Chippy, startled. A hunter? What does he want? Rory, whispering dramatically. He's setting traps everywhere. Benny told me we should stay hidden. Chippy, determined. We can't let our forest friends get caught. We need a plan. Chippy, Rory, and Zara meet under the big oak tree. Benny flies in and lands on a branch. Benny, calmly. This hunter is clever, but not as clever as us. Zara, worried. But what can we do? He's so big and we're so small. Chippy, confidently. Small doesn't mean powerless. We'll work together. Rory, you're fast. Zara, you're graceful. Benny, you're wise, and I'll lead the plan. Benny, nodding. A true leader speaks with courage, little one. What's your idea? Scene 3. The trap. The group sets up a fake bait near the hunter's trap. Rory hops around, pretending to be caught. The hunter arrives, rubbing his hands together greedily. Hunter, laughing. Gotcha. Another one for my collection. As he approaches the trap, Benny hoots loudly, startling him. Zara runs through the bushes, making rustling noises. Hunter, spinning around. What was that? Who's there? Chippy scurries up a tree and drops acorns on the hunter's head. Hunter, angry. Ouch! What in the world? Rory hops out of the trap and leads the hunter on a wild chase, zigzagging through the forest. The hunter trips over a root and falls into his own trap. Hunter, yelling, "Let me out of here!" The animals gather around the clearing, laughing and cheering. Rory, teasing. Guess the hunter isn't so clever after all. Zara, smiling. All thanks to Chippy's brave plan. Chippy, modestly. We all work together. That's what made us strong. Benny, proudly. Remember this, young ones. Teamwork and courage can outsmart any challenge. The animals cheer and enjoy a feast of berries and nuts as the forest returns to peace. The hunter is shown sulking as a forest ranger arrives and removes him from the area. The camera pans out to show the animals living happily ever after in their safe and beautiful forest. Narrator's voice. And so, Chippy and her friends proved that even the smallest creatures can achieve great things when they work together. The forest remained their happy home, full of laughter and love.